Welcome to day 3 of the Herdwick Sheep challenge. Today's video will show you step by step how to make the body of your sheep. I am happy for you to make items from this tutorial for personal use or to sell. All I ask is, if you share what you have made, that you add a note to say that you made it from a free tutorial from the flock, and add a link to the flock's Facebook group. Please also be aware that the tutorial and its content is protected by copyright and must not be copied or shared without prior permission. Thank you. Let's get started. Today we will be creating shapes to match the body diagrams. For this you will need your shaping needle and your core wool. We are going to start by creating the inner sausage shape labelled Body Starting Shapes on the diagram. To do this, first pull off 2 lengths of core wool measuring approximately 15 centimetres in length. Then, holding both ends firmly, pull outwards to break the length in half. Stack the 2 halves together, then holding both ends again, pull outwards and restack. This will ensure that your fibres are spaced more evenly. Next, lay the fibre on your felting surface and tightly roll it into a log shape. Then stab along the centre, turning as you go to stop the fibre unravelling. Continue to stab the central section until the length of the felted area matches the diagram excluding the curved ends. Once it matches, start to stab the fluffy ends inwards to make them rounded to match the diagram. Alternate between stabbing the fluffy ends inwards to create the rounded ends and stabbing around the ends of the log shape, turning it as you go. To help the felting process and to keep the log shape cylindrical, you can also roll it firmly between the palms of your hands. As you felt the log shape, keep checking it against the diagram to ensure the shape and size matches. The finished shape will still be fairly soft. As we add more fibre in the next steps, this will become firmer. Next, we are going to wrap more fibre in small sections at a time around the sausage shape to match the outer shape of the body starting shape diagram. As you add fibre, stab it in place, continually shaping it and checking it against the diagram until it matches the shape and size. Once your shape matches the outer starting shape diagram, we are going to continue to build up the shape, wrapping it with more fibre. The aim now is to match the side view and bird's eye view body diagrams. The best way to do this is by wrapping small lengths of fibre at a time around the ends of the sausage shape. Then, stabbing it in place and shaping it as you go. It can also help to bend the shape slightly in the middle to create the curve of the tummy. Keep building up the shape and checking it against the diagram so that you can see where to add more fibre. Your finished shape needs to be felted to a medium firmness, not fully felted. The finished body should now look like this. You can put this aside for tomorrow. Remember, if you would like to be in with a chance of winning the prize for taking part in the Herdwick Sheep Challenge, please upload a photo of your finished work on the video thread for today in the Challenge Facebook group. Your next video will be available tomorrow at 9 AM UK time, and we will be assembling your sheep and adding the details to its face.